Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are tent camping for the very first time together. Wade booked us a HipCamp just south of Columbia. It's right off the trace, about 8 miles or so. It's our anniversary weekend, so we're celebrating, and it was all a surprise to me. I knew what to pack and I kind of knew where we were going, but he planned it. Nothing, I didn't do anything, I just came. So we are going to be here for 2 nights and 3 days. And we've been here for about 4 hours, just trying to figure it out. Remy's kind of scoping the place out still, trying to get his feel on how to camp because he's never been. And we've eaten lunch, we've put our tent up, and now it's time to explore because they have some hiking trails on the property to where you can ride 4-wheelers and walk. So we're gonna try to just check it out.
We are about to walk up this pretty steep hill and see what's up there.
You're so cute! I don't think anything's up here.
Yeah, for real.
Oh, wow. You can't climb with that.
Hey, Cam.
Really?
Yeah.
It's kind of freaky. Oh my god, I've never stood inside of a tree before. Remy! I feel like I'm gonna die or something. Yeah, I'm not climbing up this. Ah! Oh my god, it's wobbling. Nope. You look inside.
I get too big for this. This is creepy.
Your shoestrings are untied.
Oh, are they?
Yeah. Yeah, the pedals are not, or the pedals. The, yeah. Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah, this is kind of scary.
Say hey to me.
Hey.
Babe, you're kind of freaking me out. I wish you wouldn't go any further.
Why?
Because it's scary.
Hey!
You're all the way at the top!
Yep.
Will you come down now?
Yeah, you can see my hand up here.
Okay, let's see. Where's your hand? I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. You can't stretch your feet, can you? Is that cool? What do you think?
That was pretty cool.
Would you suggest anybody else do that?
Not if you're fat. Yeah, that was pretty cool. There's a big hole up there.
Oh, at the top?
Uh-huh.
I guess I couldn't see it. Okay, so now we're gonna do a tour of kind of like the setup that we have here. So when you first pull into the property, you'll see a big red barn, and that's kind of where we are set up here. In the barn, they actually have a couple of supplies for us, so let's go check it out. Did I do it right? I don't know how to do this. Okay, so they have newspapers, firewood, and they also have 2 barrels to put your trash in. So they actually have a picnic table with a thing of water. We actually brought our own, and we have our own table as well. We have a sink, we have a stove that we have not opened or used yet, trash bag for our garbage, and this is all of our kitchen supplies. There's snacks in there, and there is just cooking supplies and things that you can cook with. It's all smashed into that box. Even Rumi's food. We have some wood here that we brought. There is a super cool fire pit, and you can actually cook on this. And they also provided 2 nice sturdy chairs. So I think we're gonna spend some time out here tonight. What do you think?
Yep.
All right, now that we have showed you where we are gonna eat and where we're gonna hang out by the campfire, let's go show you where we're gonna sleep tonight. All right, so we actually set the tent up about 200 yards away from the barn because of the spectacular views. Welcome to our vacation home. This is Remy's spot. So he has got blankets and his bed and his favorite stuffed animal, and he's wanting to get up here now. And then this is our bed. It is air mattress with some flannel sheets, a blanket, extra blanket, a weighted blanket. And we've never had one, and we're getting to sleep with it for the first time tonight. And I think it's gonna make a difference. It's also supposed to be really cold. Pillows, I've got fairy light, another kind of light. What is it called?
A lantern.
A lantern. We've got headlamps and just fun stuff in there. And that's it. We've got a bag full of our clothes. That's it. We're gonna be hanging out in here tonight, but I haven't showed you the best part. Also guys, we're using our Yeti cooler as a step, because it'd probably be impossible for any of us, to get in and out of here. But the best part of the whole thing, the toilet. Yes guys, this is where we are going to be using the toilet. I don't know how to use it because we haven't used it yet. How do you do it? Okay. Toilet paper, bags. We'll figure this one out. But I figured maybe some of you guys would be wondering, they're out in the middle of nowhere on somebody's property, and where are they gonna use the bathroom? There, that is where. Also guys, these are our loungers. I have a feeling we're gonna be sitting out here drinking coffee in the morning, listening to a podcast. Sweet boy. Sit. Hold on. so cold. Oh my gosh, look at it. It looks like it's frozen. I'm not gonna pour all of this in here. I got a little excited making the chili, I guess. Alright, let's go put these on the fire. Yeah, it's like the worst part of any day.
What do you think about it, man?
It's a little cold. It is 41 degrees as of like 20 minutes ago, and the temperature is just dropping, so we felt like it was just time to get in the tent. We have some chocolates and candies, and that's gonna be our dessert for tonight, so